Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to talk about the lead acid batteries. What are the considerations you need to make to get most out of your lead acid batteries? Okay, so let's get started. So first of all, we'll talk about what are the different types of lead acid batteries. Before starting with our today's video, I have also made two videos on battery, like how you can size the capacity of your battery for your particular application, as well as the different types of batteries and their comparison, depending upon their performance as well as costing. So if you are new and if you want to know more about those particular thing, then you can refer to the video link in the description, or it must be popping up on your screen. So let's start with today's video. So the lead acid basically are of two types. First is the flooded batteries and second is the VRLA batteries, that is the valve regulated lead acid batteries. Okay, so these flooded batteries are basically the ones which require a periodic maintenance. They have electrolytes, okay, so which need to be taken care of periodically. So the most important thing to consider or to maximize the life of the lead acid battery is first its proper charging. So you need to charge and discharge the battery as per the recommendation provided by the manufacturer. Suppose the cycles, the lifespan given by the manufacturer on the data sheet is suppose 5000 cycles or 3000 cycles. So if you want those your battery to live that long, give you 3000 5000 cycles, so you need to follow the recommendations given by the OEM or the manufacturer. So for an example, we'll take that on the battery it is mentioned C20, okay, or C10. So what does it basically means? Suppose that your battery is of 100 ampere hour, okay, so you need to divide that capacity by 10, okay, or yeah, for C20 you can divide by 20, so 100 divided by 20 is 5. So you need to charge and discharge the battery by the rate of 5 ampere, okay. So if you increase the charging or discharging rate, what will happen? It will affect the life of the battery. Why? Because by increasing the rate of charging and discharging, what you are exactly doing is you are increasing the rate of the chemical reaction. So that basically first reduces the efficiency of the battery, as well as these high rate of chemical reaction, it leads to more sulfation on the electrodes, as well as it also lead to high temperature as well as problems in the electrolytes. Okay, this is the first thing. Second is about DOD, that is depth of discharge. So depending upon what battery type you are using, the depth of discharge is recommended by the OEM. What is DOD? It is basically how much percentage you can discharge the battery. For an example, okay, if you have a 100 Ah battery, so for lead acid batteries, mostly the OEM recommended to the DOD as 50%. You can only discharge the battery 50%. You can discharge more also, but if you did that, you will not get the cycles which 3000 cycles or 5000 cycles which is given by the OEM. So that you need to consider and you need to refer your data sheet. Okay, the next point is about the temperature management. So like it is very important for us to keep the batteries in a air circulation area or well ventilated area, so that the temperature of the battery remains cool or at room temperature, so that the efficiency of the battery will be good. If the temperature increases, the resistance will also increase and the efficiency will also reduce. Okay, the next point is about the periodic maintenance of the lead acid batteries. Like I said earlier, the flooded batteries require periodic inspection. You need to check the electrolyte level, okay, you need to check the condition of the battery, you need to check for the sulfation, you need to check for the leakage, and these things need to be carried on periodically. So this maintenance need to be done in routine, so that we can expect our lead acid battery to last long. Next is overcharging and undercharging of the battery. So for this particular thing, the charge controller which you are using to charge your battery, that should be suitable to your battery as per prescribed by the manufacturer. Okay, so like the if the voltage of the battery is attend, then the sorry then the charge controller or the charger should stop charging the battery. Okay, so kindly note this point. Moving ahead, the next important tip is handling of the batteries. So during all these maintenance and movement of batteries and everything, you need to take care that you wear all the pp's of the batteries, and because this electrolytes, it also creates fumes. So you should keep those batteries away from directly sparks and everything, and flames. You should prevent those battery to keep in that particular area. And you should also consider disposal of old batteries, proper disposal of old batteries by giving them back to the company, by recycling, etc. So guys, I hope this video has helped you to understand how you can get more out of your battery, and how you can get the recommended cycles of the batteries, operation cycles, which is given by the OEM. So if you have liked this video and if you have come so far, kindly subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.